Year-end ride natin mga kapadyak. Yep. Isang line din dito sa Magusan itong tinatawag nilang Rocky na line. From its name itself, talagang mabato. Very technical. Last na visit namin dito is yung summer pa. At hindi namin masyadong dinadaanan. I think 2 beses lang namin ito dinaanan dahil nasa mabato. At we need to consider yung ating bisikleta, baka madaling malaspag dahil nasa sobrang technical ng daan. But for today, dadaanan ko po sa inyo. Dadaanan ko po para may pakita po sa inyo itong daanan na ito. And tingnan na rin natin yung mga kung gaano kalaki yung mga bato. It's not enough, so we keep running the race. This life is tough if you let it be that way. Sit back and love your own journey every day. I got deep thoughts in my bed, got me feeling like a weak spot in my head, and I ask myself to please stop. Take a breath, need to get all of these deep thoughts out my head, yeah. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own, yeah. I live for music, yeah, I love to do it, yeah. It's therapeutic and I need it to get through it, yeah. I keep on moving, yeah, I keep on doing, yeah. I keep improving so people can feel it too and go on and fix their lives one decision at a time, one vision, one mind. We're winning this grind. Okay, okay, let's make each other proud. Turn the future into now. Turn this world upside down. Yeah, I don't wanna feel the pain no more. I just wanna make a change and restore humanity. Sa mga ganitong daanan, kailangan talaga yung mga magandang klase ng preno, even suspension. Hindi pwede yung mga panggamit lang natin araw-araw. Kaya if you want to engage sa mga ganitong sport, invest po tayo doon sa mga magandang klaseng pyesa. Hindi lang po yung basta mura. Tignan din natin yung kanyang quality. Kasi nakasalalay dito yung ating safety. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own. I just wanna be known, I just wanna be home. Feel like I'm all alone and I need to do it on my own, yeah.
Kahit wag po tayo masyadong judgmental sa mga kasama nating laging nag-upgrade. Kasi habang gumaganda yung kanilang skills, habang gumagaling sila, naghahanap sila ng mas magandang pyesa na angkop sa kanilang pag-ride. So thank you for watching this video guys, and advance Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. God bless!